In November of 1997, Australians were asked if they thought unemployment would increase. At that time, 284 out of 631 said that they thought unemployment would increase. So what do we have? We have in 1997, we had 284 out of 631. So what is that as a proportion? We had 284 out of 631, which is 45%. Estimate the proportion of Australians in November of 97 who believed unemployment would increase using a 95% confidence interval. So what's our formula, right? So we have p hat plus or minus z star times the square root of p hat q hat over n. And so we're going to have 0.45 plus or minus. And then we have to look up, and I don't have a chart handy, so I need this z star value. So remember how we would do that then. If I've got a 95% confidence interval, look, this is 95% of the data, then this is 2.5% of the data in each tail. So this would be the 97.5 percentile. So I can go inverse normal for 0.975 and get 1.96. So my z star value is 1.96. That's the equivalent of just looking it up on the table. And then the square root of 0.45 times 0.55 over n, and n was 631. Okay, so there's my formula, and now I'm just going to let the calculator do the work on that. So we'll go stat test 1 proportion z interval. There it is. And we're going to go 284 out of 631. And 95% confidence, and we calculate it. And we have from 41 to 49, 41.1 to 48.8. So from 0.411 up to 0.489. And it doesn't ask for an interpretation, but we would say we are 95% confident that the true proportion of Australians who believe that unemployment would increase is somewhere between 41 and 49%.